Our first module mentions some main entities involved in the European CE marking process. In this module, we'll go into a little more detail on some of them. Obtaining in-country representation as well as having your quality system audited are crucial steps in bringing your medical device to market in Europe. Let's take a closer look. Aside from you, the manufacturer, other entities involved in the CE marking process include the competent authority, the authorized representative or EC rep, and the notified body. In the United States, the FDA is the governing body for all things medical for the entire country. The European Union consists of a collection of member states. These are all countries unto themselves, and each has their own regulatory governing body called the competent authority. They follow the European Commission's regulations as outlined in the medical device directives, but some member states require additional steps. If your company is not physically located in Europe, it's required by law that you obtain a European Authorized Representative, also known as an AR or EC rep. The AR acts as your liaison with the national competent authorities. Naturally, if your company is already in the EU, you have the option to act as your own AR. Authorized representatives serve many purposes. They, where applicable, register your devices with the national competent authorities before it's marketed. ARs can also hold a copy of your technical file and make that available for inspection by the European competent authorities as needed. Authorized representatives are also involved in Incident and Field Safety Corrective Action (FSCA) reporting, as well as other vigilance activities. In short, they play a big role in maintaining your regulatory compliance. Notified bodies are specific organizations qualified by competent authorities to certify your device. They verify that the device is compliant with the relevant directives and the essential requirements are met. They also audit your quality system. If all is good, they'll issue you a certificate and authorize you to affix the CE mark on your device. As you can see, there are many from which to choose. The CE mark is a very familiar symbol seen on products that vary from toy cars to electrocardiogram machines. It signifies that the product meets with approval based on all requisite quality and manufacturing standards in Europe. It's an absolute requirement to have it affixed to the labeling of your device. There are some provisions in the Medical Device Directive which provide detailed information about CE marking under Article 17 and Annex 12. In this section, you learn that an authorized representative is required if your organization resides outside of Europe, how each member state in the EU has its own competent authority, which is their regulatory arm, and that notified bodies play a pivotal role in assuring your medical device conforms to relevant standards. The next section takes a look at the final steps involved in bringing your device to market in Europe.